Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I don't know about you, but I get really tired of how much money that I have to invest because although I love my makeup, it just gets really expensive. So to come across an economically priced set like these from e.l.f. Cosmetics is just really nice. This is the eyeshadow set and it comes with all 5 of the brushes. And I love how they look because you got that polished steel look. So you've got a classy, expensive looking brush, but they work well as well. You've got the 3 brushes for eyeshadow, including the blending. They're all really soft, nice fibers. They haven't shed. I've washed them a couple of times and they dry really well and have the same shape as before I washed them. Then you have the 2 eyeliner brushes and you've got the fine point as well as the chiseled. So these are great brushes, great for the price, and you're getting a really good brush set that works well. So save yourself a couple of dollars, go for the set from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and you will be really, really pleasantly happy with it like I am. And that's my point of view.